Welcome to Kenton's videos. Enjoy the video.
You're ready to start. Verify your OS and free disk space, then sign into the Google account you'll use. Once done, open the downloaded installer and allow system permissions when prompted. During installation, make sure to choose whether you want file stream files, or mirror files, local copies. Choose the mode that fits your workflow. Streaming saves local disk space, mirroring keeps offline access. Let the installer finish, and then launch the app from your system tray or menu bar. Now connect the app to your account and confirm the drive access scopes. Once signed in, click Preferences to choose your My Drive mapping and local save location. This controls whether files stream or mirror. Make sure to add specific PC folders you want backed up by selecting Add Folder and choosing Desktop, Documents, or other paths. Adjust bandwidth, proxy, and network settings if you have limits. When configured, the app will begin scanning and syncing. Watch the progress indicators to confirm files are transferring. Finish by confirming the sync status icon shows completed or syncing without errors. If files fail, first reconnect your Google account in Preferences and ensure enough local disk space when using mirror mode. Once done, clear cache or update the app if problems persist. These steps often fix authentication or transfer errors. Make sure selective sync settings include the folders you expect. Finally, use Pause Sync for large uploads and check the activity log to validate every file has synced correctly.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.